Today we talk about Infinix GT20 Pro. It's launched on April 2024. The Infinix GT20 Pro dimensions: height 6.47 inches, width 2.97 inches, thickness 8.2 mm. The weight is 194 grams. And the build: front and back glass and plastic frame. The display of Infinix GT20 Pro is AMOLED with 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 91% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p and the refresh rate is 144 Hz with 1300 nits peak of brightness, and the protection is not available in this mobile. The platform of Infinix GT20 Pro, it has Android 14 operating system and the chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate 4nm, and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A78 and the GPU Mali G610. The memory of Infinix GT20 Pro is 8 and 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of ROM. SD card support in this mobile. The camera of Infinix GT20 Pro, it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 108 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel micro, and it records 4K 60 fps video with main cameras. The selfie camera is 32 megapixel and it records 1080p video record with selfie camera. The battery backup of Infinix GT20 Pro, it comes with 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt wired fast charging, no wireless charging and no reverse charging in this mobile. The common and the feature of Infinix GT20 Pro, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, carrier speaker, USB Type-C, infrared port, fingerprint under display, NFC, FM radio, UFS 3.1 and IP54 dust and water resistant. The price of Infinix GT20 Pro is $280.